Hi, I'm Jenny, and today I'm going to tell you what it's like to sit in the middle of a swarm of bees. So here we have a swarm. This is how close I am. That's my knee. That's my foot right there. They're not going to sting me. There's nothing for them to defend. I've stuck my finger in there earlier looking for the queen. They stung me then. Whole bunch of bees hanging out on this door because apparently they didn't particularly like where they were living before. This is eerily calming. The other thing that's really cool, check this out. I always thought a swarm was just a whole cluster of unarranged bees, but they're not unarranged. Look at that. They're all sitting there facing the same way, except for the crazies running around trying to figure out what's going on.